In this video, we are going to review the Tangem wallet. Obviously, the Tangem wallet comes with a very user-friendly and clever designs, but it doesn't mean that it is the best option available. But let's dive in and see what it's offering to the customers and how it's operatable for the daily use. So this is the website. As you guys can see that there are particularly only two options for above, which is wallet and ring. And then you can go to partnership where you can resellers, referral program, or co-branding, and then you can always join their community by following them over different sort of social media handles. So let's go and see their wallets. When we go to the wallet, as you guys can see that the wallet costs $54.90, and we can simply get that wallet by clicking on Get Tangem. So it's Swiss-based, 25 years of warranty, EAL 6 plus security standard, audited by the Kodelski Security and Rescue. Set up a hardware wallet in 3 minutes. But the only thing that really hurdle in the security is that you need a mobile phone in order to set up it. It means that there could be a third party or third person involved in it, which can possibly lead to security breaches like phishing attacks. So this is one of the reasons that I don't personally prefer to like risk my big stack and big budget and my big overall wallet money in this sort of a wallet, because this could be phishing again, and it could be a security hazard in it because there is a third party involved in it. So what you guys can do is it's up to you. If you have small stack, you guys can always use it. It's a very friendly wallet and application, and which is very user friendly and a very clever design as well. You can use it on a day-to-day basis. So this is my review for the Tangem wallet, and let's read some of the reviews over the internet to see what people have to say about it. So this is a person who's saying that Tangem appears to be an okay solution for a wallet you regularly spend. I would personally never trust a huge and large amount of my stack to it. It violates several rules I have for cold storages. Never trust a device to generate your receipt from you. I personally not capable of auditing the code on the device to determine if the seed was truly random. It appears the only way to load a self-generated seed is by using their app, in which I won't have to input the seed into a smartphone. It's not a good solution. Don't trust your backup to hardware. They claim shelf life of 25 years plus, but nothing is guaranteed. Seeds backed up on steel is multiple in multiple locations, with Shamir is a magnitude more durable. Very low probability these backup will fail in a lifetime. If one does, I can easily replace it. You have to use Tangem cards with Tangem app. How good is Tangem's UTXO management? I would assume you can't use your own node either. For privacy reasons, that's a no-go for me. You cannot verify address and what you are signing on the hardware wallet itself. The necessity of using your smartphone to do this opens you up to possible phishing, man in the middle, or other security attacks. Tangem has protection against brute force attacks, but they never wipe out too many incorrect attempts. The attacker is limited to about 2000 attempts per day. With enough time, they may succeed. Better make sure that access code is really strong. So this man has given a very, very authentic review, and you should guys listen to this man. And I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.